Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, I'm going to go over 3 big stories. Well, actually just 2 big stories. One is kind of lame, but I think you guys will get a kick out of it. Anyways, hopefully I can start into a lot more of these rumor videos now that we've got more rumors cranking out, and we've got WWDC coming up in just under 2 months. And hopefully the audio sounds okay. I filmed a video like a couple days ago, just going over some news on the red iPhone and everything, and the audio just sounded like trash. So I just ditched the whole video and basically threw it away and put up some other stuff that I had pre-recorded. So hopefully this is better, and hopefully we can get back into the grind here and get some good videos out for you guys. So anyways, first and foremost, Apple registers several new unreleased iPhone models in Eurasia ahead of WWDC. So if we scroll down here, you guys can see, instead of me zooming in on this, we can see right here, versions of iPhone running iOS 11 are listed with the model numbers A, whatever, and you can see all right here, there's 11 of them. So if I zoom in, I guess I'll just do it. It's in Russian, so it's pretty much impossible for anyone to read. Just kidding. I don't know what it says, but someone actually translated it and said, like, it's iPhone models, Apple iPhone models, because someone was like, well, couldn't this just be new iPads? But no, apparently these are smartphones. So if you guys read Russian, you guys can translate that all for me in the comments. So we're not really sure exactly what they are. Some people speculated there'll be a bunch of new iPhone SE models and then a brand new gold iPhone 10. I think that's definitely possible, and it's weird since there's 11 of them. So I'm thinking some of them will definitely be iPhone SEs. I'm pretty sure on that. So if you are an iPhone SE fan, well, have at it. You guys are going to have a good time here because I think they're going to upgrade the internals. I don't know about the externals. I think it'll be the same screen and everything, but the internals should get a really nice upgrade and be basically future-proofed for at least a little bit, because the current SE is a little bit on the, well, it's a budget phone, so it's not that great. But anyways, with that in mind, there is that 11th phone, and I'm thinking it might be a gold iPhone 10. I don't know, it could be a red one, but I'm thinking it'll be gold if they do one, and I think that these might be unveiled at WWDC this year. There's a lot of conflicting stories on this, so just keep that in mind. I actually like 9to5Mac's story on it better. I read them both, and this one's kind of but whatever. So next up, I just wanted to mention this. LinusTechTips, if you guys watch his channel, I personally do not like his channel. I can't stand him, his voice, and just the way he acts. It's kind of obnoxious, but with that in mind, he gets a lot of views, and apparently people like to watch him. So Apple won't fix his iMac Pro, but disassembly violated Apple's repair policy. So basically, he was working on this iMac Pro. Did I say iPad Pro? That's my bad. Whatever. iMac Pro, and he disassembled it and like dropped the screen or something, and it short-circuited some stuff. And then he, yeah, you can see right here, smashed. Went to Apple, said, hey, can you guys fix this? And they said, no. And he's like, what? Why? And basically they just didn't want to help him because he had disassembled it, taken it apart, and it says very clearly, I don't know if the terms are here, basically you can't take this shit apart and expect them to service it. And that makes sense. You know, there could have been other stuff that he monkeyed with. I mean, I know he probably knows more of what he's doing than the average person, but yeah, so they're not going to mess with it. So he took it to a third party and said, hey, can you fix it? And they're like, nah, we can't. And he's like, what the hell? So basically they won't give him the part either. So he can't get the part, and they won't fix it. So he's just saying, hey, give me the part, I'll fix it myself. But nah, they won't do that apparently yet. They might end up doing it, I don't know, but they seem to not want to give it to him, even though he's gonna fix it himself. They won't even sell it to him. So he's pretty much just got to buy a whole new one. So that sucks. It is what it is. He kind of broke the rules, so shit sucks. Anyways, last article here. This one actually was just published not too long ago, about an hour ago, Eastern Standard Time. Apple may offer 2 6.1-inch iPhone models in 2018 with price tag as low as $550. So if you guys are super pissed, sorry about my fans kicking up here, but I'll try to move my Mac away from my computer a little bit. Anyways, if you guys are super pissed about the iPhone 10's price, well, here you go. 2 lower end iPhones, one being as low as $550. That would be pretty good for those of you that are in high school, just don't want to drop $1,000 on a phone. Whatever the case may be, maybe just don't feel like dropping $1,000 on a phone because that's insane. So of course this is from our favorite Ming Chi Kuo, KGI securities analyst. He believes that the 6.1-inch dual SIM iPhone could be priced at $650 to $750, while a single SIM model could potentially be less expensive, $550 to $650. For the 2 OLED iPhones Apple plans to introduce in 2018 were not mentioned in today's note, but those 2 devices are expected to be significantly more expensive. There's been a lot of reports on that. Hopefully I'll do an updated video on that once I get time. But there's just been so much going on with those. Some people think it's going to be more expensive, like even than last year's. Some people saying it's going to be less, but I'll get through those in a different video. He also goes into a little bit of detail on these phones. I'm not going to go into too much detail because this is all speculation right now, but all that you need to know is that there could potentially be two 6.1-inch iPhone models in 2018 with a price tag as low as $550. That's the main takeaway here. Once we get more information that's more credible, I guess, I will go deeper into this. Right now, just know there could be some cheaper iPhones. And hey, I think a lot of you guys are gonna be happy about that. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I've got way more videos just like this coming up in the future. More rumors on MacBook Pro, MacBooks in general, iPhones, iPads, pretty much anything Apple. You're gonna see it here first. And I got some pretty cool products to review as well, maybe even some giveaways. So that's all I got for this video, guys. Again, thumbs up, subscribe, peace.